The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4 both support S Pen inputs, but the devices lack an integrated slot to store the stylus. However, there was hope among Samsung fans that it will finally be the first foldable to have an internal slot for S Pen storage. Samsung has already realized this dream for the Ultra models of its Galaxy S series. The S22 Ultra came with an S Pen slot, and so does the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're hoping to see this on the Z Fold 5 later this year, your dreams may not come true. We've since heard murmurings that the slot could come to the Fold 5, but a new report has poured cold water on those claims. Samsung has decided against adding an S Pen slot on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5, according to Korean-based outlet ET News. The outlet claimed that Samsung was indeed working on the feature, but ultimately decided against including the slot on the final model. As per reported that the S Pen slot was dropped from the Galaxy Z Fold 5 due to design considerations and effects on internal space. More specifically, the outlet reported that the slot would have increased the foldable phone's thickness. Korean media is reporting that Samsung did have plans to build an internal slot in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to store the S Pen. However, these plans have now been scrapped because Samsung can't quite create enough space inside the device. The only way would be to increase the dimensions, particularly the thickness of the device, and that's a decision the company doesn't want to make at this point. It's claimed that Samsung could have opted for a thinner S Pen, but that the current solution would have made for a poorer writing experience. However, Samsung is apparently working on a thinner S Pen design that doesn't compromise the writing experience. This ostensibly won't be ready in time for the Z Fold 5 release, though. A person in the know is quoted as saying that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a new hinge structure, and that has changed the internal space structure of the device, thus making it challenging to build an S Pen slot. At least we now know that it's entirely possible for Samsung to make this happen. It's only a question of all the stars aligning. An S Pen slot would likely affect other factors too, as the space required for the slot could theoretically result in a smaller battery or pared-back features elsewhere. Nevertheless, we previously called for Samsung to offer an S Pen slot on the Z Fold 5 due to its more expansive screen area. So here's hoping we see it on a Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant instead. So what are your thoughts on Samsung's decision for not providing S Pen inside the upcoming foldable? Let us know your opinion below in the comments section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. See you for the next time. Peace out.